Hi guys, it's Danny at Lancaster Automart. This is us at our site. I'm with our partners, Lancaster Volkswagen. And we have today Vauxhall Grandland X2019 model 2019 1.2 petrol manual transmission. Black tint on the windows. Really nice looking car. Good condition. I'll show you the inside. And once again, as usual, if there's anything you'd like to look at with regards to the car, anything more in detail, just give us a call and we can help with that, no problem. Anything else you'd like to know, any more descriptions on the car, any more details, you can either visit the site or give us a call. And we'll be more than happy to show you around the car. If there's anything else you'd like to see or you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask or pop down and visit us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it out and see what you think. Thanks very much guys.